Hello students, today we are going to discuss our topic multiplication of rational number. Okay, and we will learn and we will discuss how to multiply two rational number. So let's take one example and we start with the example. For example, we have to multiply p by q, that is one rational number, multiply with the another rational number is r by s. Okay, so when we are going to multiply two rational number, then first we find out the product of their numerator. So we will write product of their numerator and divide by product of denominator. Okay students, to find the product of two rational number, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So let's start with the one example. I am taking one example. I am going to start with our exercise 4.4. Question number first. Multiply. What we have to multiply? I am taking its first part. 2 by 7 multiply 3 by 5. Okay students, 2 by 7 multiply 3 by 5. So according to the rule, numerator multiply with numerator, product of their denominator, 2 3s are 6 and 7 5s are 35. Now we get the product of two rational number. Let's take its second part. In second part they have given 6 multiply by 9 by 7. Student, 6 is a whole number. So first of all, we convert 6 in fraction by write denominator as 1. So numerator multiply with numerator, 6 9 ja 54, and denominator multiply with denominator, 7 1 ja 7. These are the simple number. If they have given some big number and some solution based question, then how to solve? Let's take its part number 4. In fourth part they have given minus 11 by 9 multiply 9 by 11. Student, whenever we are going to multiply a rational number with another rational number, if any number is possible to cancel, so keep remember numerator can be cancelled by denominator and denominator can be cancelled by numerator. So here 11 and 11, one time 11 is numerator and one time 11 is denominator. So we cancel it, 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. Same in case of 9 also, 9 1 ja 9 and 9 1 ja 9. What answer we get from here? Minus 1 upon 1. So directly we can write here answer minus 1. Okay students. Now let's take one more part, that is sixth part of this question. In sixth part they have given 8 by 35 multiply 45 by 16. Okay, 8 by 35 multiply with 45 by 16. So I am going to write it again because we have to cancel out this one. Student, we observe 8 and 16 both are multiple of 8. So here we try the table 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. And 35 and 45 both are multiple of 5. So here we start cancel with 5. 5 7 ja 35 and 5 9 ja 45. Okay. And what answer we get from here? 9 1 ja 9 and 7 2 ja 14. So the multiplication of these two rational number is 9 by 14. Okay students. Now after this we are going to solve our question number second. In question number second, if we multiply more than two rational number, okay. In question number first, we multiply only two rational number, but if we have to multiply more than two rational number, then how to solve? That is our question number 2. Simplify. Okay, The first part, 15 by 34 multiply minus 3 by 5 multiply 12 by 7. Okay students, this is our question. So I'm going to write it again because we have to cancel it. 15 by 34 multiply minus 3 by 5 multiply 12 by 7. Let's check by which table first. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 50. Okay friends. Then after 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. Then after, is it possible to cancel? No. So then after we multiply numerator with numerator. 3 3 is 9, 9 6 is 54. And minus is there, so minus 54. Here 7 7 is 17 7 is 119. Let's check. 7 7 is 49, 4 and 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11. So our answer is minus 54 by 119. So this students, when they have given more than 2 rational number and we have to find out the product more than 2 rational number. Okay, let's take one more that I am going to solve. It's part 4. Fourth part I am going to solve students. Its fourth part they have given 15 by 8 multiply minus 24 by 5 multiply minus 16 by 3. Okay, then 15 by 8 multiply minus 24 by 5 multiply minus 16 by 3. Okay, let's check. 5 and 15 both are comes in the table of 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24. Now 8 3 is 24, 24 2 is 48. Otherwise 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48. Minus minus plus. 1 multiply with 1, 1 multiply with 1. And we get answer from here is only 48. Okay friends, in question number 2 we have solved and we have multiplied more than 2 rational number. Now question number 3. In question number 3 we have to evaluate. Evaluate means they have given in form of equation. In equation the rational number are bounded with multiply as well as addition sign also. So let's start and we are going to solve our question number 3. Question number 3, first part they have given 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 multiply 6 by 5 plus 2 by 3. That means the sum of these 2 rational number multiply with sum of these 2 rational number. So first of all we have to find out the sum of these 2 rational number. Here the LCM is 12. Sign multiply and here LCM is 15. 3 4 is 12. So 4 1 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 3 3 is 9. Okay students. Here 5 3 is 15, 6 3 is 18 and 5 2 is 10. 9 plus 4 that is 13 by 12 multiply 28 by 15. Cross check. 5 3 is 15 LCM, 6 3 is 18, 5 3 is 10, 10 plus 18 28. Here 3 4 is 12 and 4 3 is then 3 3 is 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is it possible to cancel out? Then cancel out it. 4 3 is 12, 4 7 is 28. 13 7 is 91 and 15 3 is 45. Student, we get answer from here, that is 91 upon 45. That means we have solved the first part. How we solve? I repeat again. They have given the sum of these two number multiply with sum of other two. So first of all we have find out the addition, the sum of numbers, and then after we multiply. Let's take some more part to make it more clear. Now I am going to solve its part 3, third part. In third part they have given 6 by 11 minus 2 by 55, bracket closed, then multiply 7 by 5 plus minus 3 by 10. This question they have given to us. Same, first we solve these two separately and then after multiply. So here 6 by 11 minus plus 2 by 55, multiply 7 by 5 plus minus 3 by 10. LCM is 55. 11 5 ja 6 5 ja 30. 55 1 ja 55, 2 1 ja 2. Here LCM 10. LCM is 10. So if we write 5 2 ja 10. So 7 2 ja 14 and minus 3. 30 plus 2, 32. Then 55. Multiply 14 minus 3, 11. 11 by 10. Is it possible to cancel out? Yes. Then 11 1 ja 11, 11 5 ja 55. Then 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. That means answer is 16 by 25. How? 16 1 ja 16 and 5 5 ja 25. That means numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. So students, like this all the parts of question number 3 we have to solve. So in our today's video we have to discuss question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd of exercise 4.4. So students, you have to solve all the parts of these questions in your register, and today's videos this much only. Thank you students.